Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change language on Pinterest. Maybe you want to see contents in a language that you are familiar with. So today I am going to show you how to change language on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located on the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select this settings option. On this window, tap on this personal information option. Here, you can now see the current language that you are using. Now, to change the language, simply tap on this language section. In this window, tap on your current language. After that, you will be directed to this language section screen. Here, you can select your preferred language from the list of available options. Pinterest offers many languages, so make sure to choose the one that suits you best. For example, I will select Tagalog. Once you have selected your preferred language, Pinterest will automatically change the language information of the application. You can now start browsing and you can now see the contents related to your preferred language. Remember that it will not change the language of the application. If you want to change the application language, you should go to your phone settings to change it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change language on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change language on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.